and welcome to 10th standard second language English. Today let us learn Unit 5 the concert question and answers. First one, answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences. 2 marks questions. Why was Smita excited on seeing the newspaper? Answer. It is because in the newspaper it is given that Pandit Ravi Shankar is going to play in the Shanmugananda auditorium the next day. Question number 2. Why do you think the mother cautioned the girl? Answer. Mother cautioned the girl because Anant was suffering from cancer. He needed some rest. He should not get disturbed. Question number 3. Smita and her family came to Bombay. Why? They came to Bombay because Anant was suffering from cancer. The family believed in miracles of modern science to get best treatment for Anant. Question number 4. How do you say that Anant was a talented boy? Answer. Anant was the best table tennis player. He was the fastest runner. He was learning to play sitar and can compose his own tunes. Question number 5. How do you say that Anant was passionate about music? Answer. He raised himself quickly when he heard the news of Pandit Ravi Shankar's concert. He was learning to play sitar and can compose his own tunes to the astonishment of his guru. Question number 6. How Smita enjoyed the concert? Answer. While listening to the music of Ravi Shankar, she felt that gates of happiness were open. Smita experienced every unfolding ragas in splendid manner. Question number 7. Why did Anand feel attending concert was a chance of a lifetime? Answer. Because Pandit Ravi Shankar was a great sitar maestro. He was passionate about music. It was a rare opportunity for Anand to attend the concert. Question number 8. What made Smita bit her lip in self-reproach? Answer. It is because she read the newspaper loudly by forgetting that Anant was suffering from cancer. She thought that Anant was disturbed by the news. Question number 9. What was Smita's plan to help her brother? Answer. Smita's plan was to attend the concert and invite Pandit Ravi Shankar to her house. Pandit Ravi Shankar should play concert in front of Anand so that Anand's dream would be fulfilled. Question number 10. Why were the neighbors of the apartment not believe their eyes? Answer. The neighbors of the apartment did not believe their eyes because when they saw Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha getting down from the taxi, even in their busy schedule, they came to Anand's house to play a concert. Question number 11. How do you say that Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha were great human beings? Answer. Though he was a busy man, he listened to the words of Smita. Even though in his busy schedule, he came to Anand's house and fulfilled the desires of Anand. Question number 12. Why do you think that Aunt Sushila was generous? Answer. Aunt Sushila was generous because though she was staying in the small apartment, she gave space for Anand's family to stay with her in a comfortable way. She consoled Smita when she was in depressed state. She gave timely suggestion to relieve her stress. Second one extracts 3 marks questions. First one. I walk in park. A walk in park might make you feel better. A. Who suggested like this? Whom was it suggested to? Why did the speaker give this suggestion? Answer. A. Aunt Sushila. B. To Smita. C. To relieve her stress. Second one. I don't know when we will get another opportunity to hear it. Pandit Ravi Shankar. To hear Pandit Ravi Shankar. A. Who made this statement? Why the speaker says so? Another opportunity. What was another opportunity referred in the text context? A. Smita. B. To fulfill the desire of Anand. C. To attend the concert. Third one. You must not bother him with such a request. Who does you refer to? What is the request referred in this context? Who made this statement? Answer: Smita. To invite Pandit Ravi Shankar to her house. C. Mustache man. Fourth one. Enjoy yourself. Lucky you. Who is the speaker? Why is the speaker feel so? When does the speaker say so? Answer: Anant. Smita is going to attend the concert. C. When Smita and her father were ready to go to the concert. Fifth main. There is no harm in trying it. What does it refer to? Who thought like this? What made her think so? A. Smita. B. To invite Pandit Ravi Shankar to her house and to play for Anant. C. She remembered the condition of Anant. Sixth one. They could not believe their eyes. Who does they refer to? What could not they believe? Why couldn't they believe this? Answer: A. Neighbors. B. A great sitar Mistero Pandit Ravi Shankar. C. Even in their busy schedule, they came to Anand's house.